Well, the Grand Old Party is all set to launch a massive membership campaign beginning 1st of November that will last till 31st of March. Now, ahead of this membership campaign that is set to take place from the 1st of November, the Congress has released a set of prerequisites that anyone who intends to join the Grand Old Party will have to adhere to these mandates. So let me just quickly run you through the prerequisites that have been put out by the Grand Old Party. Now, this declaration form that will have to be signed by the individuals say that they will have to be habitual wearers of khadi. Another prerequisite is that they will have to abstain from alcohol and drugs. Now, this is something which has, garnered a lot of attention on social media as well. Another prerequisite says that they will never criticize the party's policies and programs in public forums. Now, this, remember, comes in the backdrop of so many party leaders slamming the party, criticizing the party in the open. So this is something which has been categorically put out by the Grand Old Party here. The other prerequisite says that they will not own any property in excess of the ceiling laws and not hesitate to undertake physical labor and work to further the party's policies and programs. So this is another prerequisite there. Another declaration here says that they will not indulge in any form of social discrimination and will work towards removing it from the society. So this is what the prerequisite says. Now remember, this comes just 2 days before the Grand Old Party chaired a meet today. Sonia Gandhi chaired a meet today itself where they laid out the agenda of this massive campaign that is set to begin from the 1st of November.